Hi, good evening everyone. Hi. This is midnight now, and I decided to make a video and say hello to all the members in t.me, Flex email, Telegram, and I would like to thank everyone for the support. There's so many questions asked. Sorry, I was busy. I was busy at school, and was stuff. Everything all finished, and now I'm free. So I like to introduce myself to everyone out there. Like to thank you to everyone really for the really outstanding support that you guys have been giving me and all the belief that you have for ProfipipsHunter FX Systems. I hope you have already downloaded the Dropbox link from the pin message, the manual that was shared to everyone there in the Telegram. And with this folder in, all the info are there. And when you open the PDF, I also shared the YouTube of how the installation, and still people have questions. Actually, they just need to read and really understand how this works. So, how do you download the Dropbox? You just have to click the link and it will bring you to the Dropbox website, and you just need to do a direct download to your desktop so that later you can copy the files to the VPS. What is a VPS? VPS will help you run the EA 24/5 and during the opening and closing of the trading window. Okay, so I hope you read the manual and the Dropbox is updated, and what is updated here is actually 3 files. And similarly, as I've already explained during the video, just need to copy, go to your setup of FBS MT5. Okay, file, open data folder, and just paste. Okay, and all the files will be copied into there. Okay, for all the files in ProfipipsHunter is the same, and I've really updated it so that it is much easier for partners to install and also to traders that would like to try them for the first time. Okay, you can just open them and go to the 3 files updated. Just go to file, data folder, and copy the files over. So same likewise for MT5. Is it any different? So just go to file, data folder. So where do you copy that? You copy from the 2, number 9 and number 10 are MT5. These are my newly added on EA for partners to use and for traders as well. So if you appreciate my work, please sign up with FBS under my IB link to be my affiliate and partners so that we can have profits, consistent profit 20% monthly, and also so that you can trade long term 24/5 and you can do other better things in life than staring at charts for manual trade. So likewise for MT5, just need to copy one folder and L5. Okay, and just paste the file. Okay, so once you have done the pasting of all the files, basically what we need to do is just need to restart and start again. Don't forget to pin them to the taskbar first. Okay, pin them to the taskbar. Okay. Then once it's done, actually you can see the profiles, right? And example, this is ProfipipsHunter gauge trend. And you click profile, it's open. Wait for it until it loads. Okay, like this one, WG aggressor is one of my EA that is password protected. Right. This is password protected, but I provided for everyone the password. So when you are in, when you load the profile, everything is ready for you, including the indicators that I use to support the EA. And some of my EA here, hedge funds, if you do a buy and sell copy, not too bad. And you click this, you will go to my Telegram channel. Okay. The inputs are very simple and easy. Okay, so these are some of my manual trading which I do back then, where I use trend corridor to check for any of the charts that went out. But I don't do that anymore. You know? It's the time well spent for other better things in life than rather staring all these charts. Okay, where you have to wait, and usually I trade during the New York and London time or Japan time. But for me, I don't like to waste time doing manual trading anymore. Okay, I prefer to do EE as it's more relaxed and you just trade 24/5 using the VPS and let it do the work for you. Don't forget to on your auto trading. Make sure it's on the on button. You go to tools option as well. Make sure this is allow this tick in the checkbox are ticked, and the EA will function. And Monday when the trading window open, okay, all the EA will start to take this position according to the script that I write inside the EA. Okay, so some of the EA are EA that I gotten from friends, and it is not too bad, quite profitable in a sense. And this is one way which I would like to share with you all how you filter bad pairs. Okay, if you see that this is a trade report indicator. Okay, so if you see it set it to 2019, we see that this is not doing well, right? Close the pair. Okay, close them and carry on with those in green. Okay, this is some of the small tips that I give if you're running big accounts on EA. Okay, and this is ProfipipsHunter Diamond. Same likewise the copy method, then after that you select, and this has already been set for you, the profile. Just need to choose the profile, and it will load according to what you see, the similar setup that what I have for you guys. All the Dropbox are already updated. Please to re-download them so that you can get my updated ProfipipsHunter FX System updates. Okay, everything is all included. I like to use this trade info so that I can see what are my daily profits. And this is actually a calendar FX, which actually stop auto trading during high impact news, and it will start back again when auto trading happening. And then during the timing that I set, then you will continue 24/5. Okay. This is my 3 brand new EA. I have 3 more brand new EA for MT5. Okay. One is doing a moving average for H1, H4, and D1, and the other one is doing a trend with the trend area. It's actually very simple. Once there's a trend that is detected, you will just do a sell. Okay, so these are some of my setups. It's pretty easy. Okay, all you need to do is set up the required file. Okay. you can use this to set up the DXE, load it up inside, copy them, fill all this folder into your VPS, FBS, VPS. It's free if you hit 3 lots a month, but no worries, if you're using all my EA, you will definitely hit 3 lots, definitely, especially these two, which require 1K USD or converted to cents, is 100,000 USD cents. Okay, these two EA can get you 20% minimum per month, and the rest of the EA is for you to explore. These are some of the EA that I use, and it's earning not bad. Okay, perhaps you may think that use is just showing me demo accounts, and I think it's a waste of time. But actually, I have many VPS. Okay. This is not the only, because I'm doing recording, so that's the reason why I'm only showing you one VPS. I have a lot of VPS actually. Perhaps I can only show you one VPS, one account. Probably this one. Okay, so if you notice this real account, I'm sure if you can see, but I think you can, right? These are all real accounts. These are all my MT5 setups according to the profile, and they are doing well, 20% profit every month. Okay, beside that, I have also tried to set up very small capital and also huge capital standard account. And these are some. This is only one VPS, and the profiles I already shared as much as I can. And for partners, they will seek me for advice and obvious and give them some tips on what are the possible EA that they can try. And usually, I want them to start big, 1K USD, which is 100,000 USD cent, and try with low risk first before. Try with lower risk first before you go into medium and high, right? So it's good to start at low risk so that you understand how the EA works, and subsequently you can grow as you go until 200,000 cent, then 300,000 cent, then you do a high risk, and from there you can see the profits will grow. So I hope you appreciate my work and all these EA that I coded, original of my work, and these are the source code that was built from for MT5, and this is MT for MT4, right? And yes, some of the EA I did locate, and there's expiry for continued support. Please sign up, PM me your account number so that I can add you to my private partners channel, and you can have my advice and tips for long term. And from there, probably you can have a consistent profit and understand what is auto trading like. If you have no other further questions, I think just PM me if you have any further questions at Telegram, and I wait for you to support for your kind support with FBS. Do sign up with the link that I shared in Telegram. And for more answers, you definitely need to sign up to be fair to me, because time is money, and although time is money, I rather spend that time with my family. Okay, cheers and have a good night, everyone. I hope you enjoyed ProfipipsHunter FX Systems. Good day to everyone and all the best.